Assalamu alaikum. Hello boys, how are you? Welcome to you in science class. Today we are going to discuss metals and non-metals. Metals and non-metals. Page number 28 and 29. Open page number 28, 29.
Math.
Okay. So on page 28, we are going to discuss metals and non-metals. The big idea on this is materials are either metals or non-metals. Materials can be metals and can be non-metals. Alaikum assalam, Mr. Faiz. Name some common materials. Common materials here on this page, you can see materials. If a material is not a metal, we call it non-metal. Some common non-metals are plastic, wood, glass, clay, rubber, stone, and fabric. So here on this page, you can see all the materials are non-metals. Non-metals. Fabric, glass, wood, clay, plastic, and stone. These are all non-metals. These are all non-metals. Understand? Understand, Fahant? Yes, Rakan, Abdullah Salim, Abdulillah. Understand? Fahant?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so here you have non-metals, which are, who will tell me non-metals? Anyone? Okay, bring your notebooks and write with me. Bring your notebooks and write with me, please. جيب الدفتر بسرعة. اوكي، اكتب الفوق non metal materials. Write this on the top. اكتب هذا الفوق. Non-metal materials. اوكي.
جبت الكتب وانا محمد غامدي.
جيب الدفتر يا حبيبي.
Teacher,
Yes.
نادي.
my friend, my my friend is my book is habit.
Okay.
I don't
Faiz, open your notebook. I said notebook, yani daftar. Okay. Open your notebook. Yes. And write with me in the notebook. Number 1, wood. Number 2, clay. Number 3, plastic. Number 4, glass. It should be smaller. Okay. Then number 5, stone. Number 5, stone. And number 6, fabric. Okay, these are all non-metals. Write them in your notebooks quickly. Okay, who will read? Abdulaziz Wagdani, open your mic and read them, please. Abdul Aziz Al Wagdani, can you hear me? Okay, Abdullah Al Hazrami.
Yes, Mr. Khalid.
Yes, Khalid, please read these words.
Clay. Plastic. Cloth.
Okay, then
Stone. Fabric.
very nice.
Mister, no
Yes.
picture.
Yes,
No
Khalid,
picture.
it's written here. Look, you cannot see the screen.
No.
Why, man? I shared it with you. Open your Zoom. Okay, Maaz Yasir, are you there?
Yes.
Yes, please read. Non-metal materials.
Wood. Wood.
Okay.
Clay. Clay.
Okay.
Plastic. Plastic.
Very nice.
Glass. Stone. Fabric. Fabric.
Very nice. Thank you. Yes, who is with me? Adam? Rakan. Yes, Rakan, please read.
Yes.
Rest of the boys, please write. اكتب بسرعة, okay?
Wood.
Yes, wood. Okay.
Glass.
Then
Plastic. Glass. Stone.
yes, and then
Fabric.
fabric. Thank you.
Welcome.
Okay. Muaz Salman, are you there? Muaz Salman? Mustafa, are you there, Mustafa? Mustafa Aldibo, are you there?
Mister, I'm ready. I'm Khalid.
Yes, Abdullah. Yalla, Khalid.
Wood. Clay.
Clay.
Box.
Clay.
Glass.
This is clay, Khalid. This is clay.
Plastic.
Hmm.
Glass. Stone.
Last
Fabric.
one. Very nice. Thank you. Thank you, Khalid. Abdullah Albido, can you hear me? Mustafa Albido?
Welcome, mister.
Thank you. Okay. Don't open your mic now, please. Abdullah Somali, are you there?
Yes.
Okay. Read, please.
Wood. Clay.
Clay.
Clay. Plastic. Glass. Stone. Fabric.
Thank you. Next, we have Adam. Are you there, Adam?
Yes.
Yalla. Read, please.
Wood.
Okay.
Clay.
Yes.
Plastic.
Okay.
Glass.
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 Yes, very nice.
Stone. Fabric.
Okay. Turki Sultan, are you there? Turki Sultan? تركي سلطان موجود؟ أمير معاذ are you there؟
ايوه.
يلا تركي read اقرأ معانا ها wood number 1 wood 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 يا تركي wood read please clay
انا ها.
clay
ليه.
plastic
Plastic.
glass
Glass.
stone
Stone.
fabric
Fabric.
Thank you تركي شكرا يا حبيبي افتح دفتر واكتب open your notebook and write اكتب هذا في الدفتر يا تركي اكتب هذا كاملة في الدفتر okay write all of them in your notebook please yes معاذ سلمان yes معاذ read ايوه تركي
الدفتر عادي.
ايوه دفتر عادي يا حبيبي دفتر العلوم موجود افتح لو ما في موجود عادي اكتب اي دفتر write in any notebook معاذ سلمان يلا read please yes read these words please معاذ سلمان فين روح where are you
What?
يلا read number 1 read this number 1
What?
wood او موجود wood
Wood.
number 2
Wood.
clay
Clay.
number 3 plastic
Plastic.
number 4 glass
Grass.
glass
Grass.
number 5 stone
Stone.
number 6 fabric fabric
Fabric.
fabric okay thank you Muhammad Al-Ghamdi are you there Muhammad Al-Ghamdi
I am here.
ايوه حبيبي read please اقرا يا حبيبي
طيب.
These are all non-metal materials. Number 1, wood.
Number 1, food.
Number 2, clay.
Number 2, clay.
Plastic.
Plastic.
Glass.
Glass.
Stone.
Stone.
Fabric. Fabric. من باقي وما خلصت؟ من باقي؟
أنا
يلا quickly يا حبيبي quickly. بسرعة.
أنا أمير معاذ خالد.
يلا سرعة يا حبيبي.
wood, clay,
Okay. Plastic.
plastic, glasses, stone,
glass. ما في glasses. Glass.
glass, fabric.
Okay, thank you. Mustafa, are you there, Mustafa?
Yes. Yes, I am here.
Okay, Mustafa, read please. I was calling you. Yalla, read. Mustafa, read.
Wood,
Aywa, good. Okay. Okay. Clay.
clay,
Next. Plastic.
plastic,
Okay. Glass.
glass,
Stone.
stone,
Fabric.
fabric.
These are all non-metal materials. هذا كلها ايش؟ non-metals. Okay, Faris, open your mic. Faris Abdullah Shahrani.
نعم يا أستاذ.
ايوه اقرا يا حبيبي. Read please. Yes, read.
لكنت.
Okay, number 1, wood.
Wood, wood,
Okay, clay.
clay,
Plastic.
plastic,
Glass.
glass,
Stone.
stone,
Fabric.
fabric.
Thank you, Mr. Faris Abdullah Shahrani. Okay, Adam, are you there? Then we have Mazen. Mazen, are you there?
Yes.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, please read non-metal materials.
Wood. Clay.
Okay,
Plastic.
very nice.
Stone. Fabric.
Thank you. Amir Mansoor, موجود? Amir Mansoor. Jassar, are you there, Jassar? Hattan, موجود? Uday, Muhammad Usman, Ziad Ali.
Yes, I am Muhammad Usman.
Yes, Muhammad Usman, please read. Number 1.
Spell.
Spell. Wood,
Yes.
wood,
Wood, very nice. Number 2.
عين شوف clay.
clay,
Okay, very nice.
Plastic.
plastic,
Okay,
Glass.
next.
Glass. Glass.
glass,
Okay,
Stone.
stone,
very nice.
fabric.
Excellent, Muhammad Usman. Thank you. Okay. Amir Mansoor, Jassar, Ziad Ali, Muayyad Abdul Rahman, Muhammad Abdul Khalik. Anyone is there? Ziad Salman.
Soon. In.
Mazin, please don't open your mic. Now we have Uday with us. Okay. Muayyad Abdul Rahman. Okay. Now open your book. We will start writing in our book. Page number 29. This is an activity we will do in our class. Page number 30, please. Page number 30. Page number 30.
أنا محمد الغامدي جبت الكتب.
Okay, good. Name some common materials. As I told you, common materials are wood, plastic, we have glass, paper, fabric. There are some materials. Some materials are so important, we use them a lot. Like wood, like glass, like plastic, we use them a lot. Think of some objects. Think of some objects you have used this week. What did you use them for? Why? Okay, so we. Who is this writing? Mustafa Aldigon, don't write in the chat box. And Amir Muad, please. Okay, here we will write here. Do you use spoon? Yani malaga? Who uses spoon? Yani malaga. In the shagal wala mafi. You use or not? Malaga. Anyone? Uday, Muhammad Usman, Abdul Aziz. Don't you use spoon in your home? Yes, Muaz Yasir?
I have a spoon.
That is metal. We use spoon for what? For what you use spoon? Spoon to?
For eat.
To eat. Very nice. We use spoon to eat. So write this here. Spoon to eat. Okay. Then you use pencil. Pencil. You use pencil? For what?
To write.
To write. Excellent. To write. Very nice. So these two materials are enough. You write here, we used spoon to eat and pencil to write. Okay. This model bridge is made of spaghetti. Spaghetti is a food made of flour. We can name some common materials. These are the ones that we use the most. Wood, yani khashab. Wood is very common. Wood is very common. Which one of these objects is normally made of wood? Okay. Hada min wood or A or B? Which one is made of wood? Yani khashab. A or B? Yes, very nice. Which one? Which is other?
B.
Okay, so we will write here.
Chair.
Chair. Here you will write chair. Made of wood, chair. You will write in front of this question, chair. Which is the other object normally made of? This mobile. Made of what? Mobile made of metal. Very nice. Metal and plastic. Okay, metal and plastic. Write this here in this box. Okay? Understand? Then we have, think about it, why aren't real bridges made of spaghetti? Because it's not strong. We need strong bridges. This is just for an activity. Okay? Understand? Any problem in this?
What?
أي مشكلة?
Say
Any problem?
No, any is no. I know have it. I know have. I know have.
I don't
know
have. Say I don't have.
I don't have.
Yes, it means I do not have any problem. Okay. On next page we have metals are very important. Metals are very important. What are metals? Some common metals are iron, steel, copper, aluminium, gold, and silver. These are metals. These are what? Metals.
Metal.
Metals, yes. So you will write in your notebooks metals as well. Okay. We use copper in coins, steel pans, aluminium can, gold earrings, and silver bangles. You can see here the use of different metals. On this page, we have seen non-metals and their use. Okay. We saw non-metals and their use. And on this page, page 31, we saw copper coins. These are all metals and their uses. Look at the picture. Write two things we use metals for. Okay, what are two things we use metal for? We can write here money. Money. Which kind of money used here in this page? Who will tell me? This pen is money?
No.
Okay. Earrings. This is money?
No.
No. Coins. This is money?
Yes.
Yes. So we use metal for money and for cooking as well. For cooking. Money and cooking. We use them for money and cooking. Okay. Now we have question, circle the correct answer. Copper is copper. Copper, we can find copper inside the wires. Yani fil jua silk.
Wires.
Copper is metal or non-metal? Copper is a metal. Copper is a
Yeah.
metal.
Metal.
What about plastic? Plastics are metals?
No.
No, plastics are non-metal. We saw this. We saw this here. Look, this page we have non-metals and plastic are there. Okay. أيوة حبيبي.
أنا
طيب يا
كتبتها.
حبيبي طيب اوكي.
كتبتها ايوه.
Okay خلاص. If it rings like a bell, material is. If it rings like يعني صوت يجي زي جرس. That is metal. If it rings like a bell, that is metal.
What?
Okay, Uday.
Yes.
If it rings like a
Yes.
bell, that is metal.
Yeah.
Okay. If you hit this steel pan with the wall, you will hear a sound like bell.
Yeah.
Okay, that's why this is. If you throw copper coin on the floor, you will hear a sound. Yes,
Like-
Hattan.
I'll definitely hear like a coin dropped in like
On the floor,
kind of-
you will hear a sound.
yes.
Yes, so that's why this is copper. This is metal. Yes, Hattan, يبغى شيء يا Hattan?
Yes,
Okay.
teacher.
أيوة هتان كتبت؟
باقي.
يلا quickly يا حبيبي. Okay, so I am asking again for some absent students which are Amir Mansoor. لو موجود كلمني الحين. Otherwise I will write as absent. Jassar, Ziad Ali, Ahmed, then Muayyad Abdul Rahman. أي أحد موجود كلم. محمد عبد الخالق.
محمد الغامدي أنا هنا.
زياد محمد غامدي. أنا كلام اسمك؟
أيوة أنت قلت محمد الغامدي.
أنا كلام محمد عبد الخالق. أنت محمد عبد الخالق؟
إيه.
Okay, خلاص. محمد عبد الخالق. Okay, I wrote your name now. زياد سلمان.
طيب بقفل المايك.
Okay, thank you.
قلته.
Very nice. Yes, Maaz Yasir, you have anything? Ziad Salman Az-Zuwair.
No.
Okay. Okay, boys, this is it for today. We will meet in our next session, inshallah. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.
I love you. Bye.
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 Bye, Mr. Mazen. Goodbye, Faiz. Goodbye, Maaz. Goodbye, Turki Sultan. Goodbye, Uday. Goodbye, teacher. Goodbye.